Well, hello and welcome to this exercise on two-word table. Again, this is a foundation question, and let's have a get on. And it says 50 students took part in 3 sporting activities, and the activities are swimming, squash, and gym. Now, each student took part in one activity only. Now, 8 students took part in squash, and 6 of these were boys. 10 girls and 14 boys swam, and 9 boys used the gym. The question then is, a student is picked at random. What is the probability that this student is a girl? And secondly, what is the probability that a student picked at random took part in squash, given that this student is male or is a boy? Okay. Now, I think the best way to do this is to use a two-word table. There's no other way I can think apart from using a complicated equation system. Right. Now, what I've done is to draw a two-word table here. We're going to start with what we already know. And the first we know is that there are 50 students in total. So if we add vertically or horizontally, you should have 50 in this cell here. So there should be 50 there. And then we're told that 8 students took part in squash. Now, 6 of these were boys, so we should have 6 in there. Now, that being the case, there should be 2 girls there. Okay? And then we're told that 10 girls and 14 boys swam. So in here we should have 10 girls, and here we should have 14 boys. So the total number of students who went swimming should be 24. Should have 24 in there. Okay. Now we are then told that 9 students used the gym. So sorry, we noted that 9 boys used the gym. So in here we should have 9 there, 9 boys in there. Right. Now for this row, if you add the number of students who went swimming, who went squash, and who did gym, that should be 50. So 24 plus 8 is 32. So to make 50, in here we have 18. Now that being the case, it then means that 9 girls use the gym. So 9 should be there. Okay. Now, the number of boys in this class should be 14 plus 6 plus 9. And that should give us 29. Now, if we had 29 boys and 50 students in total, that means that in here there should be 21 girls. And we could check that by doing 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 plus 9 is 21, so we're right. Okay. Now, for the first question, it said a student is picked at random. What's the probability that this student is a girl? Now, there are 21 girls in total, so the probability is going to be 21 over 50. That's the first question. Now, the second question is, we've picked a student at random, and this student happens to be a boy. Okay, so we are now confined to the boy sample space there. So the probability of picking a boy who played squash is going to be 6 over 29. So this is a condition of probability. The answer is 6 over 29 for number 2. Now I do hope all that made some sense, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.